revved-up engine replaced the familiar sound of the opening bell as General Motors marked its official return as a publicly traded company. GM shares rose sharply after the initial stock offering. Industry analyst George Magliano calls it a remarkable turnaround for a company that nearly went under 16 months ago.
The whole management structure, the whole attitude has changed a lot in 12 months, vastly, and changed for the better.
Thanks in part to a $50 billion bailout from the U.S. government, fewer brands, and fewer workers. The strategy has resulted in a leaner company that has made more than $4 billion this year. Scott Painter at TrueCar.com says the strong demand for GM shares bodes well for the auto industry.
So you've got, I think, a really strong potential for GM, but at the same time, the market, the wind is at their back. There's been great demand for heavy-duty trucks, which is great for GM, for example, given the stability in gasoline prices.
The initial stock offer, expected to raise about $23 billion, will reduce the government's stake in GM from 60 to 33%. GM chief Dan Ackerson vowed to repay the company's debts in full by building better, more fuel-efficient cars that people want to buy.
We can now make money when there are 10.5 to 11 million vehicles sold in North America. Heretofore, that number was 15 to 16 million. So that's good news for the American worker. It's very good news for the American taxpayer.
But for retired workers and former stockholders, there was little incentive to reinvest in the new GM. Retired engineer John Christie.
Especially some of the older retirees that had a lot of GM stock, which became almost worthless. They took a pretty good financial hit on that. So a lot of those folks are not real anxious to get back in and maybe are not even financially in a position to get back in.
Some consumer advocacy groups lobbied to delay the stock sale. Joan Claybrook, president of Public Citizen, says the government relinquished control of GM too soon.
Our concern is that this IPO is going to result in the government losing about $5 billion. And we think it's premature that the stock that General Motors is placed in to offer for sale is going to go up in value.
President Barack Obama disagrees. He told reporters Thursday that the early success of GM's stock offering validates his administration's decision to rescue GM.
What's more, American taxpayers are now positioned to recover more than my administration invested in GM. And that's a very good thing.
GM shares rose nearly 4% in its first trading day. The Dow Jones Index surged more than 170 points. Millar Sega, VOA News.